Namaste students. Today under this topic of playing with numbers, I am going to tell you about one of the question which is based on basically the general form of a 2-digit number which I have already taught you in the very first video. Now question says the sum of digits of a 2-digit number. 2-digit number, it means first is unit digit and then second is the tens digit. Fine. Sum of 2-digit number is 9. Now, first of all, I'll explain you this. The sum of 2 digits. In place of this, I'll give one simple example. Suppose you and T, they are the two persons and they both have a total number of toffees as 9. Fine. The sum of their toffees are 9. So, we have to find how many toffees each are having. Now, as we do not know that anyone, so let the number of toffees with you be x. The number of toffees with u be x. So what will be the number of toffees with the t? That is 9 minus x. Okay, two persons are there, t and u. The sum of toffees with them is 9. If one is having x, so what the other person will have, that is 9 minus x. Okay, in place of x you can write any number. If one has first person has 1 toffee, the second will have 9 minus 1 8. If first person has 3, then 9 minus 3 6, like this. So it's a 2-digit number. First of all, what we do, we'll consider, let the unit digit be x. If the unit digit be x and it is given that sum of 2 digits is 9. So it means one is a unit digit, second is a tens digit. So therefore, what is the tens digit? Tens digit is equal to 9 minus x. Okay, tens digit is 9 minus x. Now please have a look. This is tens digit. This is the unit digit. So it means in general form, if we write about a general form, what we can write, or that is a number. What the general form was, the digit at the tens place is multiplied by 10. So what the number will become, that is 10 multiplied by 9 minus x. Please put in bracket, and there the 9 minus x, two terms are there, plus the unit digit, that is x. This is the first thing. Now, second is, if digits are reversed. Digits are reversed means what? Again, I'll explain here once for you, that if suppose, I'm taking any example, let the number was 98. So what is the general form of this one? That is 10 multiplied by 9 plus 8. But if digits are reversed, that is, this will become as 89. So now what will be the general form? That is 10 multiplied by 8 plus 9. What is the change? Only change is 8, which was on the unit place, has come in place of 9, that is tens place, and 9 which was at tens place moved to the in place of 8, that is unit place. So similarly, if this is the number, so on reversing the digit, means this is a digit at the unit place, and this is digit at the tens place. So we'll change, so that will become 10 multiplied by x. This x is now multiplied with the 10 plus 9 minus x. 9 minus x has come to the unit place, x has come to the tens place. Now further question says the new number is decreased by 9. So the new number is decreased by 9. What it means? It means this number is decreased. It means this number is small by 9. If we compare this number with the original number, so this is 9 less. Now, if we talk about simple problem, now what we write that according to question, ATQ according to question is the original number. I'll write here. Although I have written number, you may write original number. So according to question, this is original number, that is original number is 10, 9 minus x plus x. This is the original number. Okay, minus, this is the sign of the minus, please have a look, minus, and then we'll write in the bracket the reverse of the number. 10 into x is 10x plus 9 minus x, 9 minus x. And what is the difference? Difference is 9. Because on reversing the digit, the number is decreased by 9. So difference will be 9. So now it will be 10 9s are 90, 10 into x, 10x, and this is minus, so we'll write minus plus x, then minus, we'll solve the bracket here, 10x minus x will become 9x plus 9 is equal to 9. Now, this is 90, operate this, minus 10 plus 1 will become minus 9x, and this is minus. Now, I'll remove the bracket. So as minus is outside, so both the sign will get changed. This will become minus x and this will become minus 9 is equal to 9. Now, like terms to be together, minus x, minus 9x minus 9x will become minus 18x. Minus 18x. 90 minus 9 will become plus 81 is equal to 9. We have to put this x in terms of the positive. So we'll shift other side. So this will be, and we'll shift 9 left hand side. So this will become 81 minus 9 is equal to 18x. This will become 72 is equal to 18x. Fine. Further, it means what? It means 18x is equal to 72 and x is equal to 72 by 18. It means x is equal to 4. Now, we got x equal to 4. But what was x? That is a unit digit. That is a unit digit is x. Now, x is equal to 4. It means we got x is equal to 4. And what was the tens digit? So, therefore, tens digit is equal to, that was 9 minus x. So, that can be written as 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. This is tens digit, this is unit digit. So, therefore, number, what is number? That is 54. Now, next topic is the divisibility rule. In this, I am going to teach you about that without actually dividing by a number. Generally, if the number is quite big, if it is a very small number, then you can divide easily. But if a number is quite big, so by looking at number, you can check whether that particular number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9 and 10. So there are the different divisibility rules of different numbers. Now, divisibility rule, any number, the main rule is any number in which unit place is occupied by even number. Even number. Fine. That is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Fine. So you take any of the number, but if the last, that unit digit, fine, most right, unit digit is occupied by this 5 digits, then given number is divisible by 2. As much bigger the number is. Fine. For example, if I write simple 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Unit digit is 6. If I write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 0. This is also divisible. If I write 1, 2, 3, 0, 9, 8. You do not have to look to this one part. Only unit digit. If the unit digit is even, then the complete number is divisible by 2. Next is the divisibility rule by 3. Any number might be as much bigger. We have to find sum of the digits. If the sum of digits of a number is multiple of 3, then given number is divided by 3. Fine. If the sum of the digits of a number, whatever the number, let me take an example as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 7, 6, 5, 3, 4, 7. Fine. Now we have to add all the digits. It's 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 9 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5, 3 plus 4 plus 7. Fine. Now 2 and 1, 3, 3 and 3, 6. 6, 4, 10. 10, 5, 15. 15 and 9 gives 24. 24 and 7, 31. 31 and 6. 31 and 6, 37. 37 and 5, 42. 42 and 3. 42 and 3, 45. 45 and 4 is 49. Now 49 plus 7 is 56. Now again you want to add, first of all check whether 56, if you think that you do not know the table, leave it. Again you add 56. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. Fine. 11 is not a multiple of 3. Is not a multiple of 3. Therefore, this number is not divisible by 3. The sum of these digits of this number should come in a multiple of 3, should be divisible by 3. Then only this number. Now, if suppose I'll take another example, it's a 4, 5, 9, 3, 6, 7, 2. Fine. Now let us add 4 plus 5 plus 9 plus 3 plus 6 plus 7 plus 2. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 and 3, 21. 21 and 6, 27. 27 plus 7, 34. 34 plus 2, 36. It comes out to be 36. It's clearly divisible. 36 is going on a table 3, that it is a multiple. If you think it is a big number, no problem. Again add 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Now 9 is divisible by 3. So it means this given number is divisible by 3. Now next is the divisibility rule by 4, or divisibility rule of 4. The number we have to check whether number is divisible by 4 or not. In this case, we have to check last 2 digits of a given number. We have to check last 2 digits of a given number whether it is divisible by 4 or not. Divisible by 4 or not. If yes, then number is divisible by 4. Then number is divisible by 4. Otherwise, it's not divisible. By 4. Again, I'll give you 2 examples. The very first example, let us take number, any of the big number you want to take. It's 2, 7, 9, 5, 6, 4. Fine, it's a 6-digit number. Now check only last 2 digits. 64. Check in rough. 64 is divisible by 4 or not. 4 ones are 4. 6 minus 4, 2, and then 4 6 are 24. Comes 0. Now as 64 is divisible, fine, we'll write as 64 is divisible by 4, therefore given number is divisible divisible by 4. Next comes the divisibility rule of 5. Divisibility rule of 5. It means by looking at the number you can tell that which number is going to divide with the 5. The number having a ending with a 0 or 5. Number ending with 0 and 5 are divisible by 5. For example, if we take a number 2, 3, 5, 7, 0. Fine, this is 0. So at unit place it is 0, so it is divisible by 5. Or you can take any number 7, 8, 9, 3, 2, 7. Now again the unit digit, that is ending digit, is 5. So this number is divisible by 5. So this is the divisibility rule of 5. The divisibility rule of 6 is, now if you see a number 6 and make a factor, that is factor of 6 is 2 into 3. It means a number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and also divisible by 3. It means it should be divisible by both 2 and 3. Now if you read the table of a 6, fine, just have a look. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 6, 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24, 6 5 is 30 and further. So unit place is always an even number. Fine. So what's the divisibility rule of 6? That is, a number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. Now we know that the number which are divisible by 2 are always an even number. So we can say a number is divisible by 6, or if it is an even number, or two things. First thing, number should be even, and then we have to check that number is divisible by 3. There is no odd number which is divisible by 6, because when we read the table of 6, there is no odd number at unit place, that is the right side. Fine. If we take this example, it's 2, 3, 6, 7, 2. Okay, and then again we'll write 3 and suppose 4. This much big is the number. First of all, we have to see for divisibility rule by 2. It is even, so yes, it is divisible by 2. Now check for 3. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 7, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. 20 and 3, 23, and 4, 27. So 27, again 7 plus 2 is equal to 9, and 9 is a multiple of 3. So this number is divisible by 6. Next comes the divisibility rule of 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the last 3 digits is divisible by 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the last 3 digit is divisible by 8. Fine. So you can take any number as much big. If suppose I take a number 372, like this, any number you can take 372, 4, 5, 6. Fine. This is a 6-digit number. Now check only for the 456. Check only for the 456. If 456 is divisible by 8, then complete number is divisible. Otherwise, it will not be divisible. It's 8. 8 5s are 40. Subtract, and then we will get 5 as a remainder, then 6. 8 sevens are 56. So last three digit is divisible, therefore this number is divisible by 8. If you take and one more example, it's 1028. Now again the last three digit, in the last three digit this is only number is 28. It's 0 to 8 means 28, and 28 is not divisible by 8. Fine, therefore this is not divisible by 8. So this is a very important concept which I am teaching you. By looking the number without actually division, you can find the whether number is divisible by a given number or not. Now after this we will study about the divisibility rule of 9. Now divisibility rule of 9 is exactly same as the divisibility rule of 3. Okay, there the sum should be divisible by 3, and here the sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. Okay, a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of digits of a given number is divisible by 9. I can take example. I'll take example. Very first example. It's 9, 7, 6, 8, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now let us add this. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 6, 22. 16 plus 6, 22. 22 and 8, 30. 30 plus 5, 35. Plus 4, 39. 39 plus 7, it is 46. Plus 2, 48. Now 48 is not divisible by 9. 48 is not divisible by 9. Therefore given number is not divisible. And how the 48 come? Has come? I'll write here 9 plus 7 plus 6 plus 8 plus 5 plus 4 plus 7 plus 2. This is equal to 48. Is not divisible by 9. Therefore given number is not divisible by 9. Therefore given number is not divisible by 9. Let's take one more example, that is 8, 5, 7, it's 2, 9, 5. If you add this will become 8 plus 5 plus 7 plus 2 plus 9 plus 5. So 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 7, 13 plus 7, 20, 20 plus 2, 22, 22 plus 9, 22 plus 9, 31, 31 plus 5 is 36. Fine, and 36 comes in a table of 9. Therefore given number is divisible by 9. Right. Now the divisible by 10. Divisible by 10, that is very simple. The number ending with a 0. किसी भी number में if the unit place, that is the, if I write a number, the unit place is ending with a 0 or placed with a 0, then the complete number is divisible by